Out of that early morning wake-up call in Southern California, a 4.2 magnitude earthquake hit right around 2 a.m. West Coast time. NBC's Gadi Schwartz is live in L.A. Gadi, what's the latest there?
Hey, good morning, Savannah. Yeah, this earthquake hit right as most of us were fast asleep. There were two back-to-back quakes, then two smaller quakes. The first one was that 4.2 off the coast of Malibu that struck around 2 a.m. Then the second one was a 3.4 right after that, then a couple more over the next hour, all prompting a whole lot of groggy Angelinos to jump on Twitter as they normally do to see if anyone else felt it, check how big they were. All that happening while the L.A. County Fire Department launched into what they call earthquake mode here to assess whether there was any infrastructure damaged. Fortunately, no injuries, no damage, just a lot of rattled nerves and a very good wake-up call that the bigger one could happen at any time. So it's always good to have that earthquake bag packed and ready. Savannah, Hoda.
All right, Gadi, thank you very much.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.